Hello, today we'll be talking about React Render HTML with examples. React is a JavaScript library used to create user interfaces. It's component-based, meaning that you can break up the components of your application into smaller pieces and reuse them throughout your app. When using React, you can write HTML directly within your components, or you can render HTML dynamically using React Render. React Render allows you to create HTML elements from JavaScript and insert them into the DOM. This can be useful for creating dynamic elements, such as forms or menus. Let's look at a few examples. Suppose you wanted to create a form with a text input field. Using React Render, you can create a form with an input element like this. Const form equals React, create element, form, null. React, create element, input, type, text, name, name. Then you can render this form to the DOM using the React DOM render function, passing it the form element we just created. React DOM, render, form, document, get element by id, root. Another example is a menu. Suppose you wanted to create a menu with 3 items. Using React Render, you could create a menu like this. Const menu equals React, create element, ul, id, menu. React, create element, li, null, item 1. React, create element, li, null, item 2. React, create element, li, null, item 3. Then you can render this menu to the DOM using the React DOM render function, React DOM render menu document. Get element